seguro no bajo yo.
Today we're going to do a ladies styling and spinning video. So we're going to start with spins. We're going to take 2 side basic turns, stepping to the left first. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. When you take those spins, you want to make sure you're spinning ankle to ankle. Your arms are going to stay in front of your body. So draw your shoulders down so that your arms are nice and relaxed and they're held in place with the back muscles, and your shoulders are nice and down. So you don't want to let the arms wobble around when you're spinning. You want to keep them nice and relaxed in front of you. Again, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. The more you keep your feet ankle to ankle when you spin, the easier it will be to transition to the next turn because it will land directly underneath your body and you won't have to compromise your axis. For styling, we're going to take the arms out, elbows out to the sides, and we're going to scoop in like you're reaching for something with both hands, bringing your right one in front of your belly and your left one behind. So this is going to be 1, 2. We're going to stay here on 3. Nice and slow. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. We're going to step together on 5, prep the arms on 6, just a natural prep using the torso, turning on 7. Again, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. You're going to take a basic forward here, 1, 2, 3, and we're going to cross back 5, 6, tapping ankle to ankle on 7. When you cross back, make sure that you are using the hips. So you want to make sure that the hips are rotating back as you cross, as opposed to just going back like that. Okay, basic forward, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now the arms, we're going to bring them together. Your right one is going to go on top of your left. So I'll go on a slight angle so you can see. Arms come together, right on top of left. You're going to scoop the right one in, scoop the left one in. As the left one comes in, reach for that wrist, and you're going to bring the arms up, shoulders down. So we go scoop right, scoop left, and up. The second you scoop that left hand, you'll reach for the left wrist and go up. So this is going to happen as we cross back, prepping on 3. So you go forward, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Again, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Just the arms nice and slow so you can see them. We're going to go right, left, and up. All right, from the top, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. We are also going to look to our left on that 7. So that's a sharp movement on 7. Taking it back, 5, 6, 7. From here, you're going to sweep the leg 2 times. First one is slow, 1, 2, 3. Second one's a little faster on 5. We're going to tap 6, and you're going to step to your left 7. So from here on 7, we go slow, 2, 3, 5, tap, and step. Our upper body is going to take chest circles to the left. We start going right, forward, left, and back. Right, forward, left, and back. You're going to end up doing 1.5. So this will be the first slow circle. You're going to start it, and then you're going to shift your weight to the right side. So once you take the second one to the left, you're going to go to the right instead of going back and around. So let's do it connected. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Again, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now our arms ended here on 7. We're going to go behind the head, nice and slow, and then in front of the body to go to neutral. So we go from 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. From a basic forward, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. From the top, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Look left. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. We're going to kick here on 1, stepping back to the right 2, tap in front 3, feet parallel 4, tap again 5, 6, step forward, 7, make sure the right hip is back, and you're stepping into that basic. So again, you're tapping on the odd numbers, stepping on the even. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One more time. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. From here, make sure all your weight is forward on your left foot. You're going to Susie Q on 1, 2, 3, crossing on 5, syncopated, 6 and 7 and 8. We'll go faster. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6 and 7 and 8. Now with our arms, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6 and 7 and 8. The exact timing that you swing this arm up and over is not so important. If you were performing or you all needed to look the same, then it would be. But for now, just styling socially or in a class, you want to take that nice and slow. If it's a little different and it has its own timing, that's okay. From here, we're going to take a slow hip circle to our left on 1, 2, 3. Then we're going to take 2 fast ones on 5, 7. As we do that, our arms are going to caress up. So start wherever they land comfortably on your thighs, caress up. Once you get to the shoulders, extend outward and back down. They'll end up in neutral. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 7. Make sure your weight ends on your right foot. So at the end of that 7, circle all the weight on the right foot. We're going to grapevine 1, 2, 3. You're going to tap on 4. And as you tap, your chest is going to go and 4. Let's take just the grapevine. We cross the left foot back. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Again, a little faster. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 4. Nice. Let's connect it to the hip rolls. 5, 6, 7, slow. 2, 3, 5. To the right foot. 1, 2, 3, and 4. You're going to do the same thing going to the left without the chest pop. So you cross back 5, 6, 7, 8. From the hip roll, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 7. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nice. For the chest pump, make sure you're using the chest and back and not the arms. So you're going to tuck and round the shoulder blades back, and then you're going to quickly bring them together to pump the chest forward. Let's try it back from the top. 5, 6, 7, we go. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, and look. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 7. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very nice. Last time from the top. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 7. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going to take a step back on 1 and 2. So 2 steps back, 1 step forward. Tap 3, 4, 5, 7. Again. So you just went 8. You take 2 steps back, 1 and 2. 2 things about this. First, you want to make sure that you're moving and you're not just doing your footwork underneath you. You want to move with this step almost like you're going to take a slide, but you're not going to go quite that far. So 1 and 2. Second thing is at the end of this step, you want to make sure your chest is over the leg you're standing on. You're going to be moving this right foot, so you need to be completely centered and stable over the left leg. If you're here, and now you need to go and move the right leg, it's going to be really hard for your body and your leg to move. So make sure you're all the way over that left foot so you can tap, tap. When you hook, go as deep as you can, and you're going to rotate all the way back to the front. Weight's going to end on the left foot, so you can go basic 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. And that's the end. Okay, let's try it from the hip roll. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 7. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. Basic 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. The more you get calf to shin here, so we're making a connection between the two legs, the easier it will be to rotate and stay underneneath yourself. Okay, we're going to try it with music.
Se formó la fiesta en la